Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy CJ18 Videos, and today we're gonna unboxing the NRG Edison 20 AC Power by Audioquest. As you can see, this is the AC Power 20 amp, and it's really heavy. It's a little bit heavy. So I bought this for my AC power supply, and it's low noise distortion. So you can see over here it's coming with a plate. From plate, and it's look and feel amazing, guys. I really like it, the finish. Well, this is it for today, guys. So if you like the video, put your thumbs up, subscribe for next video, and I'll see you guys later.